Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve to make YouTube shorts. First, create a new project in DaVinci Resolve and immediately adjust your project settings for a vertical format. Navigate to your master settings and change the timeline resolution to 1080 by 1920 pixels. Ensure your frame rate matches your source footage, commonly 24 or 30 frames per second, so your video plays smoothly. These initial steps are crucial for a perfectly formatted short. Once your project is set up, import your video clips into the media pool and drag them onto your timeline. For efficient editing, utilize the cut page for swift trimming and arranging of your footage. Keep your individual shots concise, typically lasting only a few seconds each, to maintain viewer engagement. Eliminate any lengthy pauses or redundant content to ensure your short flows quickly and captures attention within its 60-second limit. To make your short more engaging, add dynamic text overlays to emphasize key points or provide on-screen captions. You can find these options in the effects library. Use subtle transitions between your clips, like a simple cross-dissolve, to ensure smooth scene changes without distraction. Integrate appropriate royalty-free background music to enhance the mood, remembering to set its level around -15 to -20 decibels so it supports your narration without becoming overwhelming. For the final step, navigate to the Deliver page in DaVinci Resolve to export your masterpiece. Select a custom export setting, choosing MP4 as your format and H.264 as the video codec for optimal YouTube compatibility. Confirm your resolution is set to 1080 by 1920 pixels and your frame rate is 30 frames per second. After rendering, your video is ready to be uploaded directly to YouTube as an engaging short.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.